some key takeaways for some mitigation. Start off with some great acceptance testing. Do that routine maintenance testing. And I didn't drop this phrase in here at all. Avoid the normalization of deviation, right? A lot of times we just say, oh, that breaker always trips a little slow, or oh, that light's always off, or we'll get to that battery system tomorrow. That's normalizing a deviancy, right? And if we continue to do that little by little by little, we are going to set up a row of dominoes that all it takes is one little thing to go wrong. And then all those things that we've been kind of ignoring or kicking the can down the road come back to bite us in the butt, right? So make sure we're doing that. And then, like I say, take advantage of modernizations, take advantage of remote racking and switching. If you can't reduce, if you got a high arc flash hazard, a category dangerous in a location in your plant, how can you operate that equipment remotely, right? Remove the worker from the hazard by taking advantage of the remote switching and remote racking that's available, not only from our companies, but from others out there on the market.